Alright, so I want to show you how to import your roster to ZipGrade to make it easier instead of having to manually type everything. So I just made up some names here and a period. And so in each cell, I put a first name, last name, and then the period. That's really all you need. And make sure once you have that in here, then we're going to save it. Go to File, Save As. And make sure it's a CSV file, and the reason for that is that's what ZipGrade reads instead of just an Excel. So save it whatever you'd like, and then we just click Save. Actually, I already have this here, so I'm going to click Yes to replace it. And yes, keep the formatting there. Alright, and now that I have my Excel spreadsheet, I log into ZipGrade and I'm going to go to Students up here. I'm going to import students from CSV. And so now what I'll do is I'll click choose the file, and hopefully you remember what your name of your file was. Mine is here. And then mine has a header, which means I had the last name, first name, and the period. I'm going to check that box and I'll click Upload. And as you can see, it's going to have all of with the spreadsheet what I had in there. And I just go over here and I just click, obviously with first name, last name, and then class is the period that I had. So ZipGrade will give me my own ID for the students, and you don't have to do anything with external reference, and then you just click Finish Import and you're good to go. So hopefully that helps. Good luck.